let's talk about our light painting tools. Most of the tools we use are plastic tubes that we modify. They are lightweight, sturdy, squishable, easy to carry, and easy to manipulate. We've been using them since 2015 to create most of our light painting images. Each one is handmade with love by our team here in Montreal. They don't emit light. To light them up, simply insert a flashlight inside using the clip. You'll get a good grip by holding both the tube and the flashlight in your hand. If this is new for you, don't worry. We explain everything about the technique on lightpainting.art. Why do we have so many colors? We currently have 28 different tubes, some that we use in specific contexts outdoors. To shoot during the blue hour, for astrophotography, in winter landscapes, when shooting with auroras, and so on. On top of that, we have colorful holographic tubes that we choose either when we're not using the landscape or in the studio. Many of our tubes come with a black cover, which helps to hide yourself. We organized them and created kits on the store to simplify your choices depending on what you want to create. A lesser-known one is the black tube. This is an extension that we use with a small tube on top and a glow cap. We use it mainly when we shoot with the stars because it creates a beautiful light on the subject. Each tube has its own identification tag, making it easy to recognize in the dark. The same tags apply to the feathers and the squares. If you're not sure which tube to try first, check out our starter kit. We also have DIY kits, which you can insert in a T8 tube guard to make your own tubes. This is mostly relevant if you live in Canada or the USA, as plastic tubes are harder to find in many countries. We have a few accessories that we put on top of the tubes: the caps, the feathers, the sparklers. There are two kinds of caps, glow and black caps. You can use a glow cap to bounce the light and create a brighter line at the edge of the tube, or a black cap to block the light. The feathers. Feathers add some extra colors or length to a tube, depending on whether you choose a color that contrasts with or matches the tube you're using. Simply insert the feather inside the tube. Another accessory to use is the birthday sparkler. We don't sell these on our store, but depending on where you live, you'll have access to different kinds of sparklers. Use two elastics at the end of the tube to secure the sparkler in place. How to travel with the tubes. We have two different bags designed and made in Canada. A lightweight version that can fit 10 tubes, and a heavy-duty bag, which is what we always travel with. It has two handles and a detachable strap. It can fit 24 tubes, plus small tubes and accessories in the two inner pockets. It also has an outer rubber padding that gives extra protection for people like us who want to put the bag in sand, rocks, salt, or dirt while shooting without having to worry about it. The AX2 mount. We have a flashlight extension adapter that can be used to add dimmers to control the brightness of the flashlight or attach other light painting tools. The AX2 is currently compatible with two flashlights, Olight Warrior 3S and Klarus XT2CR Pro. We'll make another video about the flashlights. This same AX2 can be used to connect our blades, whips, and fiber optic. But let's not forget about Eric's second favorite tool, the light painting squares. These are very simple tools that are yet much harder to master than the tubes. To use them, we wrap a flashlight on the corner of the square and hold it like a taco. After a decade of light painting worldwide, from Canadian winter storms to Moroccan dunes, we're confident these simple tools just work. No electronics to fail, just a plastic tube and a tactical flashlight. The real magic is in the organic light quality. Smooth, dimensional, no harsh pixels. With an ideal weight balance in your hand, every movement can flow naturally. Insert the flashlight in a tube, turn it on, create art. That's it. Ready to paint tonight? We have over 200 videos about the technique. You'll find them on the tutorial page of lightpainting.art.